Yo guys, this is Donja and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a step-by-step tutorial on how to download GB WhatsApp that works in 2026. As you can see, here is the GB WhatsApp that I'm showing you on the screen. So I'll drop the link to this website below so that if you're interested in downloading it, you can just click on the link. So now here is the GB WhatsApp. In case you don't know what GB WhatsApp is, if you are watching this video for the first time or you are coming across this video for the first time, so I'm just going to highlight some few features that the GB WhatsApp entails. I mean that you can do with GB WhatsApp. And kindly note that this application is strictly for Android users, so not an iPhone user. So without no further delay, let's dive into the video. Now, one of the coolest features of this GB WhatsApp, they are should I say, the top 4 features that are very exclusive. The number one is you can send V1s. So anybody, once they send you V1s, you'll be able to view it as unlimited times, which means you can view it again over and over again. That's number one. Not that we be able to view it alone, we also be able to download the pictures that was sent to you as V1s, making number 2. That's number 2. Then we also be able to download status, any status that was uploaded. You'll be able to download it without having to rely on third-party apps. That's make it number 3. Number 4, you'll be able to even hide blue tick. That means when they send you a message, on the norms, there are some people that it will just double mark. It won't show blue tick at all. But on this GB WhatsApp, one of the features is, even though you have received the message, it will just tick only once, as if you have never been online, rather than it double ticking so that it won't show blue. So I believe with this few point of mine, I'll be able to convince you that if you are looking for an alternative application to use, so you can just switch to this GB WhatsApp. And note, your number won't be banned so far it is separate, so you can just have it on your account, as on your phone, as a separate app, as a standalone app rather, business WhatsApp and GB WhatsApp, or normal WhatsApp and GB WhatsApp, making 2. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace out.